Hello and welcome. This is a Centrex Software sales demo video for the eSign technology built into Centrex Software called ClixSign. Let's go ahead and get started. So in the Centrex Software platform, we do own our own electronic signature platform called ClixSign. It was developed from the ground up by our team. It's been battle tested for many, many years. It's a wonderful piece of technology built on the software, and it's fully integrated. It's exclusively offered within Centrex Software and DebtPayPro, and you'll find it nowhere else. So what we can do is we can come into the Contacts tab. We can drill into a contact here, and if I navigate to the docs section, you'll notice you've got generated PDFs, you've got eSign docs, and you've got uploaded files. In Centrex Software, if you decide to join us, the setup team is going to build your applications and or contracts or any other documents you have into the docs tab so they can be pre-populated with data and sent out for electronic signature. So once this is done, we can go back to the contacts tab. We can jump back into Al's laundry service here. We can go to docs, and we've got our three genres here: generated PDFs, eSign docs, uploaded files. So if I want to generate a PDF and send it for eSign, I can go ahead and click on generate PDF over here on the far right. I can choose the document I want to send for electronic signature. I can associate it with a certain loan or advance if you've got multiple loans or advances on file. And then I can also click send for ClixSign, click on generate PDF. Now on the far left-hand side here, we've got some settings. You can not send for email, and you can also not send for text message. If you don't send for email, it won't send for email. It'll only send for a text and vice versa. You've got the subject of the email. You've got the body of the email here as well. And then like I said, down here at the bottom, you can choose not to send for text message if you wish. The ClixSign technology is fully mobile responsive. So if you have an Android mobile device or an iPhone or an iPad, it'll show up nicely on those devices, and you can sign with your finger using those devices, which is very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off for now. I want to send this to the contact, which is me, and then I can go ahead and click on send for a signature in Centrex Software. Now you'll notice here, if I go back to the docs section for this contact and go to eSign docs, I sent out this document on this date. The status is sent, and I can always view this sent document. I can resend notification if I wish to do so, and I can see some basic data here on the sender. Now, once the client receives this email and they sign this eSign document, it'll automatically reattach itself back in the software. You can see here the status would be completed, and I can view this document here. I can see the IP address of where the signer was, and if I click on view document, it's going to open in PDF format this electronically signed document. So here it is. If I scroll to the bottom where we just were, you'll see this nice eSign document, and you'll see the digital certificate on the last page of this eSign document, explaining to everyone that this is now a legally stamped document. Okay, and then I can go ahead and I can jump out of here if I wish. Once a document's been e-signed, it can be sent for email to the client, to a funder, to a broker, wherever you need that e-signed document to be sent. This was a Centrex Software demo sales video on the eSign technology called ClixSign within Centrex Software. We look forward to chatting with you soon.